Good morning, students. How are you all? Today I'm here for online education once again. Okay, now today we are going to discuss Aneka. Aneka in cloud computing. Aneka in cloud computing. Okay, Aneka is very important topic. Normally it comes in examination. Okay, so let's start. See, what is Aneka? Aneka is a market oriented cloud development and management platform with rapid application development and workload distribution capabilities. Okay, what is it? Is market oriented cloud development. Okay, Aneka is an integrated middleware package. What is it? Is middleware package. Okay, so Aneka is an integrated middleware package which allows you to seamlessly build and manage an interconnected network in addition to accelerating development, deployment, and management of distributed applications using Microsoft .NET framework. You must have studied .NET framework, okay, in .NET language, right? On these networks. So it is market oriented since it allows you to build, schedule, provision, and monitor result using pricing, accounting, QoS, SLA services in private and or public network environments. Okay, QoS, quality of service, and service level agreement. Okay, so Aneka is a workload distribution and management platform that accelerates application in Microsoft .NET framework environment. Okay, guys. Some of the key advantages of Aneka over other grid or cluster-based workstation distribution solutions include: first, rapid deployment tools. Rapid deployment tools. Okay, and framework. Second thing is that provisioning based on QoS and SLA. Provisioning based on QoS and SLA. Okay. Third advantage, support of multiple programming and application environment. Multiple programming and application atmosphere. Okay. Okay. Next advantage, built on top of Microsoft .NET framework with support for Linux atmosphere. Fourth, Linux atmosphere. Okay. Next, simultaneously support of multiple runtime environment. What? Multiple runtime atmosphere. Multiple runtime environment or multiple runtime atmosphere. Okay. See, in Aneka, we have to focus on three things. First, build. Second, accelerate. And third thing is that manage. Okay, build, accelerate, and manage. Okay, see, Aneka includes if you talk about build, Aneka includes SDK. SDK. You know what is SDK? SDK stands for Software Development Kit, which includes a combination of APIs and tools to enable you to express your application. Aneka also allows you to build different runtime environments and build new applications. Okay, so so it means SDK, APIs and tools. APIs and tools. Okay. Now, if we talk about accelerate, Aneka supports rapid development and deployment of application in multiple runtime environments. Aneka uses physical machines as much as possible to achieve maximum utilization in local environment. Okay, so we have to focus. Sorry, Aneka supports rapid development and deployment of applications in multiple runtime environment. Okay, next, management includes a GUI. You know GUI? One is CUI and second is GUI. GUI stands for graphical user interface. The definition of GUI, as you know, what you see is what you get. Okay, so management includes GUI and APIs to set up, monitor, manage, and maintain remote and global Aneka compute clouds. Aneka also has an accounting mechanism and management priorities and scalability based on SLA and QoS, which enables dynamic provisioning. Okay, so it provides SLA QoS, which enables dynamic provisioning. Okay, so these are the basic thing in Aneka: build, accelerate, and manage. Okay. Now, if we talk about Aneka architecture, okay. If we talk about Aneka architecture, Aneka. If we talk about Aneka architecture, okay. First of all, we have to discuss execution services. Execution services. Okay, execution services, it contains independent bakes of tasks, distributed threads, and MapReduce. Okay, so distributed threads. Threads are small programs. Okay, threads are small programs. Okay, see, you must have studied multi-threading concept in Java. Okay, so threads are small programs, okay, and lightweight process, right? Next, second thing is that foundation services. Foundation services, it contains membership, resource reservation, storage, licensing, and accounting. Okay, third thing is that fabric services. Fabric services. Fabric services, it contains hardware profiling and dynamic resource provisioning. Okay, and if we talk about applications deployment and management, okay, it has SDK. Okay, I told you earlier, APIs and tools, and management tools, interface, and APIs. What? Management tools. Management, it contains tools, interface, and APIs. Okay, application programming interface. Okay, so this is actually overview of Aneka architecture. Okay, see, I have some typical Aneka cloud deployment. You can see over here. So if we talk about a common deployment of Aneka is presented in this figure. An Aneka based cloud is constituted by a set of interconnected resources that are dynamically modified according to the user needs by using resource virtualization or by harnessing the spare CPU cycles of desktop machine. If the deployment identifies a private cloud, all the resources are in house, for example, within the enterprise. Okay, The deployment is extended by adding publicly available resources on demand or by interacting with other Aneka public clouds providing computing resources connected over the internet. Okay, so you can see this is a typical Aneka cloud deployment. Okay, so this is all about Aneka. Normally this question comes in examination. Okay, so I hope you must have got knowledge. Thank you very much.